Hello again and welcome to GCSE English. We're going to do one more exercise on looking at punctuation and we will finish this chapter off. So let's just quickly read through this chapter just so you get a good idea of what this is about. So let's start from the beginning. So why? You may still be surviving on skills learned in year 8. You cannot get good grades in English language unless you can punctuate your writing skillfully and correctly. So why use punctuation? Are your skills in punctuation letting you down? You cannot get high grades in English language and literature unless you can punctuate your writing skillfully and correctly. Here's a chance to brush up on these particular skills. When you speak, you punctuate naturally through your pauses and body language. However, when you write, you have to help your reader understand what you mean through a variety of punctuation marks. The more you know about punctuation, the better you will be able to express yourself. People who use semicolons and colons stand out from others, especially if they use these punctuation marks effectively. Writing is a second-hand way of getting your meaning across to others. We need to punctuate our work to help our audience understand us. Remember, when other people read our writing, the words and punctuation we use are the only way we can communicate our message. We are no longer in a position to put right any errors as we would be if we were speaking directly to our audience. To sum up, we use punctuation marks to clarify the points and ideas that we need to communicate to others. Capital letters. Capital letters need to be used in the first and main words of title of books, newspapers, films, groups, programs, and so on. These are used for initials of people's names and places. Remember that I also needs one too. Capital letters are used for days of the week, months, holidays, and special days. Capital letters are used as acronyms for organizations such as BBC, NATO, and GMTV. Note that you don't need the dot after each letter with well-known organizations. Punctuation also has to be used for adjectives from proper specific nouns. For instance, English, French, Elizabethan, and McDonald's, for example. Punctuation and capital letters are also used in speech. So Julia asked, have you begun your revision for English yet? So can you see here, as we begin particular each, we have a capital letter. Capital letters begin all sentences and are used at the beginning of lines of verses. And they are also used when writing letters with dear and yours sincerely and so on. So this is all about semicolons, colons, and capital letters and some more general punctuation for you to use in your writing. So have a go at this particular task and answer all the questions. And I will see you to review this very soon. Thank you.